Hello, teacher. How are you? Happy birthday. I'm so sorry about my internet connection. Yeah, it's so hard when you have from outside minus 30 degree, 25 meters wind. It's so hard. And today I will talk about Air Astana. It's airplane company, airline company. And we will describe it at the beginning. I would like to say just generally speaking about the company. It is this slide about some the Oscars of the service world Skytrax. Three times leading four-star airline in Central Asia and the seas, twice best airline service in Central Asia and Indian subcontinent. And it's about punctuality of Air Asia exists that of air carriers in Europe and the USA. And actually, teacher, I can't say about now. How about now, 2019, 2020? Because I really found a lot of information about Air Astana, but I didn't found this is about for how about now, 2019, 2020. It is top airlines. You can see Singapore Airline, Qatar, Malaysia, Fly Emirates, and it's mine, my company, Air Astana. Not mine, just what I choose. Fleet renewal, it's about aircraft type, quantity, but it's how I said that it's not online information, it's not about now. And benefits over flight, if you have Nomad Club, you can 25% cashback, priority check-in, access to the business hall, Shanrak, priority boarding. It's a domestic and international route map. It's about, some advertising. You can see that Air Astana, it's investment to discover Kazakhstan, to visit this place, and marketing organization. The success of Air Astana in the international market, which is packed to overflowing with competitors, largely depends on the knowledge and skillful use of competitive means. The most important among these means is marketing. It's our logo design, target audience, target audience for airplane. As you know, it's all kind of people, who use the plane to fly whatever you want, whatever you fly, Objective: create a brand information for the audience, which brand Air Astana, affordable prices, and save money on purchase ticket. Consumer behaviors and attitudes. Consumer behaviors and relations, people like to compare before they get more benefits from which ticket, spend more time creating choice. It is media strategy. It's from Astana Marathon 2019. It's like Ironman, It is from official side, but I don't know why it's not correcting. It's but and the problem of technical development of Air Astana in Air Astana has been faded into the background, giving way to the problems of increasing the economic efficiency of the operation of airlines, stimulating demand for air transport services. Air Astana adopt a market-based management concept, providing for the orientational of all the activities to the market situation and the dynamics of public demand in the development of technical and commercial policy. The maximum adaptation of production and financing to the needs of the market, the artificial creation of conditions that stimulate demand, the development of ways to influence potential customers, etc. So that is all of my presentation. teacher. I'm so sorry that that my internet connection very bad, and that my submission is late. I'm so sorry, teacher. Thank you. Goodbye. Happy birthday.